guys, just wanted you to see how I first start with this braid pattern. Well, I haven't started yet, but I just section off here and here, and I will start with the back, and I'll come back and let you guys see. All right, so I'm using the rat tail comb to part her hair, and I am not the best at parting, but I do my best under these circumstances. You know, I am not a great braider either, as you will see shortly, but I try to do my best. So I separate the hair. Well, I put the hair out the way, and then I brush it out. And then from there, I start to braid. Again, I'm not the best braider, and I'm sad about that because my mom is great at doing it. My sister is as well. They're both hairstylists. Well, my mom is retired from that. And you see, I have to move my child's head around because she is so fixed on watching that iPad. But you just have to learn how to pick your battles. And then at the end, what I do is I use some Carol's Daughter moisturizer to help seal it and moisturize it. And then you just repeat the process. You just keep going back and forth, parting, braiding, until you reach the top. Okay, so I am feeding in the old braid into the new braid. That way I don't have to worry about tacking that down later. So you can see I started braiding and feeding these in. Zigzag, zigzag. They're not perfect. No one will see it. And now I'm going to start with the suction. And so I'll do the same thing. Part, braid, braid. I think this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 or 6 braids on this side. Be right back. All right, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I'm about to do 5 on the other side. 5 other side. Get it? Ha! And here I am just braiding and trying to keep my daughter's attention and keep her happy. I'm looking crazy. I really wasn't feeling that well, but you do what you have to do. Give her kisses and keep it moving. And let's finish this up. Okay, so this is it all tacked down. I ended up threading it through, but then I put thread to try to, because her hair is thick. And you know, my hands aren't working the way it should work, so I have to do what I have to do, but here we go. This is the braiding. Good thing nobody can really see that, right? Right. It's 8 packs. They're still on here. What I did is I rinsed it with apple cider vinegar, and then I let it hang on a hanger after I towel dried it. And then I had all these hoops and I let it just hang and dry. And so here we are. And I think it's about, how many braids in one of these? And these are pre-looped. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 of these. And then we just use this handy dandy. So I actually didn't get a good view of recording. I thought I did a better job, but excuse me. What I did was you have to open up the loop of the actual braid at the top, and then you use your crochet needle and you just go through your braid, under your braid, and just bring it, pull it through, just like that. You can loop it once or you can loop it twice for more security, but I found that you only need to do it once. And as you can see here, just pull it through. Yep, just like that. And so I'm going to show you again. You just open up that loop here. You go up under the braid, make sure that's open, the hatch is open, bring it through, close the hatch, and there you go. You can loop it once or twice again. I wished I did a better angle. You can look at other videos that has a better angle on how to do it. But once again, you open up that loop. I'm going to do a different braid to see if you can see it from a better angle. Close the hatch, bring it through, and you just loop it. Really simple. And here's the final result. It took about 4 hours because you know how kids are. They need to stretch, they need to eat, they need to complain. You name it, they have to do. But we survived. As you can see, it's still bulky, so I'm not a big fan of this braid pattern. I tried to cover it up as much as I possibly could. I would not do this braid pattern again for this style. I would do it for like if it was curly hair. The next time around we will try a different braid pattern, but here we go. Again, this is the 18-inch one, and we survived. We made it. It may not seem like it, but yeah, we survived it. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos. We will try to do our best to create more videos for you to watch. See you next time. Smooches.